Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. For me, alhamdulillah. In this video, I will show you how to show and hide in user interface element. It's very easy. سهلة كالعسل. Easy as honey. Yes. So to make it, I will just Google it. Okay, and I will now let you to Google it to find only one section to make it only one. Okay. So I will manage this because it's in this course, and so it's very important to know how to make it. So I will Google how to hide show an element, how to hide UI element in Android, and I will okay, good, and just let the yes, there is an section. What's that want to get? Where is it? Only this one. Okay, very easy. So just now implement it. So in the application, I create new one. I will add the text that I want to hide and show. I'll begin to add the text. Okay, text size. Oops, text size 230 dp. Okay, change it to stay motivated. Always stay motivated. Yes, and here I will add two buttons. The first one to show the text, and the second one to hide it. Button, allez, check. First one, show button 3 as you want. Button show, it's an ID. Okay, well, button show. And the second, I will give him an on click. Where is on click? On click, yeah, baby, where are you? On click. On click. Okay. So show text. And the second one for to hide the button. To hide the text, sorry. So hide text. Alors, where's it go? Let's do it here. Okay, and here, here, what can I give him? Button hide. I don't this ID, I need it, but for the text, this text view. Okay, good. So now I will go to activity. I will create here text view in the class because I need it in the method, to method. If I declare it here, I can't use it in the method. Remember this. Sorry. Text view equal, no, not equal, just inside it here, or declare it here, and here I will find it. Text view. Why you give me this? What is problem with Android Studio? Find view by ID id.text view. Okay, and here I will implement my two methods. So public void show text, is it the name? And here view. Okay, and here I will copy paste for hide text. And I need just to implement the method set visibility in the text view. So text view, here I will show it. So set visibility, an integer is view dot visible. For this case, it is a constant integer, and here the same thing but invisible. Opa, here invisible. It's in okay. So just see, and it is very easy. So let's start. Show thing because it showed hide, show, hide, show, hide. You can make what you want. You see, it's very easy. So it's good for this course. We'll see you tomorrow, inshallah. I think to start a new topic about how to download content from internet. But before this, I will make a small topic about Java, how to manage the exception. It's very important because I need it in topic how to download content. Okay? So see you tomorrow, inshallah, for the next video. I hope that you have understand this course until this moment. Share this course with your friend. Like this video or this video if you want. Subscribe to my channel if it's the first time to see this course. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.